Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Cooking Goth, and tonight for you guys I'm going to make monkey bread. I found this recipe on iambaker.net and I thought it looked awesome, so here we go. And this is what you guys are going to need to make this awesome recipe. 1/2 cup of cubed salted butter. 1 cup of packed brown sugar. For the bread, you're going to need 5 1/4 cups of bread flour. 1/2 cup plus 1 teaspoon of granulated sugar divided. And then another 1/2 cup of granulated sugar to mix with the cinnamon. 3/4 cup of warm water. 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon of dry active yeast. 1 cup of evaporated milk. And 4 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. 1/2 cup of cubed salted butter. First, mix your yeast and your teaspoon of sugar into your water and let sit for 5 to 10 minutes. And this is what it should look like afterward. In a medium pan on medium heat, mix your butter and evaporated milk together until all is melted. And now pour it into your yeast along with a 1/2 cup of sugar. Now mix your bread flour in 2 cups at a time with a mixer. I used dough hooks, but you could use regular mixing attachments. And now knead, and if you need a little bit more water because it's too dry, throw a little bit more in and then knead some more. Next, coat in vegetable oil and let rise for 1/2 an hour. On medium heat, melt your butter and brown sugar together. Spray your bundt pan with non-stick spray and drizzle in your topping. And now mix together your cinnamon and sugar, roll your dough in it, then throw it into your bundt pan to let rise for another 1/2 an hour. 15 minutes into the rising, preheat your oven to 350. Now throw it into the oven for 50 minutes. And now let it cool down a little bit so you don't burn your fucking self, and have some badass monkey bread. And now I'm going to taste test it for you guys. This is hot. That's still hot. Nice and soft. My bottom, I forgot to put tinfoil over it, like during the baking process. If you feel like your monkey bread is going to be hard on the bottom, it says to cover it with tinfoil. I forgot to do that, and like it got kind of hard, not unedible hard on the bottom, but the rest is nice and soft. Look at that. Watch. Ooh. The person who came up with this recipe did a great job. This is going to be made probably 1,000 times over in my household. Too bad I already drank my last can of cinnamon Coke, because that would go great with this. You guys have probably noticed some different makeup, different clothes. The reason for that is that because I started filming this video the other day, and I bought some yeast from Price Cutter that turned out to be like dead or something. The expiration date wasn't for like another year from now, but like I noticed whenever I made the dough didn't rise, even though, you know, I had done everything right. And whenever I put the pieces in, it didn't rise again. Like, that's 2 times it was supposed to rise and it didn't. So I went ahead and tried to bake it anyways. And it was hard as rock. But, you know, this time it turned out great. I thought maybe I had done something wrong. But after that day, I tried to make pepperoni rolls with the same yeast. Now, mind you, the yeast I buy comes in packets. 3 packets put together. So it wasn't all from one mixture. This yeast came from 2 separate packets. And the dough didn't rise for the pepperoni rolls. If you guys are non-West Virginian and you don't know what pepperoni rolls are, they're awesome. Go look at my pepperoni roll video. But yeah, the bread didn't rise on it. And so I knew right then, you could hear my dog scratching. I love him. I knew right then that it wasn't me, it was the yeast. So I went and bought a different brand, and lo and behold, I got me some great monkey bread tonight. I am actually pretty antsy about ending this video because I really want another piece right now. But yeah, it was great. Whoever came up with this recipe, you're awesome. But I'll post a link to the recipe on the description. But yeah, that's what happened. So I took the pieces of the video that I made, the other day, and changed some of the pieces around, and actually put together the video. So, yeah. Have a great night, everyone.